Here's how to change app icons back to normal on your Samsung phone. Now, on my Samsung Galaxy, you can see all of these app icons are weird. They have a black border around them. Some of them are completely black, just with white outlines, but I want to get back to the normal version. You have a couple different options here. The first thing that you can do is press and hold somewhere that there isn't an app. So towards the top here, I'm going to press and hold. You can see here it says themes. I'm going to tap on the theme because you might have accidentally set up a theme. So tap on themes here. After you've opened up your themes, you're going to tap on menu at the very bottom right. And then at the top left, you can see my stuff. Tap on that. The first thing I would recommend doing is switching over to icons. Now you can see I'm on simple black icons, and I can just switch to the default icons by tapping on it and hitting apply. It will go through the process of applying just the default Samsung Galaxy icons, and there you go. However, if this doesn't fix your issue, there's a couple other things you might want to do as well. Let's swipe up from here and tap on the settings or gear icon. From here, let's scroll down and you'll be able to see I'm going to open up wallpaper and style. And then on here, color palette. Now, if you have a color palette enabled, you can see this weird color palette with its kind of like teal aqua. If I turn on apply color palette to app icons and I hit apply, you'll be able to see it makes all these app icons different. So this could be your issue as well. To turn this off, all we need to do is go in here and make sure apply Apple palette to app icons is turned off, or you can completely turn off that color palette and hit apply. After you've done that, they should be back to normal. However, if they're still not back to normal, the last thing I would recommend doing is pressing and holding on your iPhone screen towards the top here again. And then we're going to tap on themes. And from themes, we're going to go similar to before to menu at the bottom right. And then we're going to go to my stuff at the top left. After you've done that, you can see under themes, there should be a default theme. If you've set up another random theme, all you need to do is tap on default and then hit apply. It will go through the process of applying the default factory theme across your entire Samsung phone. You can see it changes the wallpaper and everything. And if it still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is just restart it after you've done that. So press and hold that side button until you see the option that says restart. Just tap on restart and then hit restart and everything should be back to normal.